In this video, we learn about multiplication of monomial and a binomial. Now we take the example. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. First 4p and q plus r. So now before that we have to revise some concept. So now look at here, if 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2, it can be solved in two different ways. First, you have to add them. 10 plus 2 is 12 and you get a 24 answer, and according to distributive property, so you can write 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 is multiplied with each term in the bracket and you get the same answer. So we use this distributive property for finding the multiplication of monomial with binomial. So now let us take the example 4p multiplied by q plus r. So 4p is multiplied with the each term in the binomial. So first term is q, so 4p multiplied by q, and second term 4p multiplied by r. Then after we have to do the multiplication here. Now you have to multiply the numerical coefficient with the numerical coefficient and variable with the variable, and then you have to write the answer. So 4pq plus 4pr is the answer. Now next example, AB is multiplied with A minus B. So here we have to multiply AB with the first term, that is A, then AB is multiplied with the B, and between their operator as it is. Don't change the sign. Okay, here is subtraction operations, put the subtraction sign. So now then after you have to multiply variable with variable. There is no numerical coefficient. If there is no numerical coefficient, that means there is 1. So 1 into 1, you get answer 1. So avoid that multiplication, and you know that. So AB into A means you can write A into B multiplied by A, then A into B, and A into A means A raised to the power 2B. How we know that? If there is no written power, that means 1 is their power, and bases are same, then power should be added. So you get A raised to the power 2. So your answer is A raised to the power 2b minus AB square, or AB raised to the power 2. Now third example, A plus B multiplied by 7A square B square. So is equal to, here it is multiplied with the first term A, so A multiplied by 7 times A square B square. Then addition operator, so put here addition sign, then again 7A square B square is multiplied with the second term of this binomial, that means B multiplied by 7 times A square B square. Now we have to do the multiplication. Here 7 and here coefficient 1, so 7 into 1 you get 7, and A into A square, so bases are same, the power should be added, so 1 plus 2, that is 3, and B square as it is. Similarly here, so 7 A square as it is, because only one variable is there containing base A. Then another two variables, that means having same base, so B into B square, 1 plus 2, 3, so B raised to the power 3. So put the answer and you get 7A raised to the power 3 B square plus 7A square B raised to the power 3, or also you can say that B cube. Now if you like this, then please like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, and share with your friends also, and put your suggestion in the chat box. Next problem, A square minus 9 is multiplied by 4A is equal to, with 4A is multiplied with the first term A square, and you get A square multiplied by 4A minus 9 multiplied by 4A. After solving it, you get 4A cube minus 36A. Then after the fifth one, PQ plus QR plus RP is multiplied by 0. So if any number is multiplied by 0, you get answer 0. Then after Now we learn the multiplication of monomials with trinomials. So let us see the table, the question number 2, that is first expression is multiplied with the second expression here. So we have to write a into b plus c plus d. So how to solve it? Similarly, as we solve the monomial into binomial, here this monomial is multiplied with each term in the trinomial. So first a is multiplied with the b, so right here, then plus sign as it is, then a is multiplied with the c, then plus sign, and a is multiplied with the third term, that is d, and you get answer ab plus ac plus ad. Now similarly we can solve the next example. Here 5xy is multiplied with the first term x, then second y, and third 6, and in between them operator put as it is. So x multiplied by 5xy plus sign y multiplied by 5xy minus sign and 6 multiplied by 5xy, and which is equal to here 5 as it is, then x into x, x square, y plus 5 as it is, so x as it is, then y into y, y square, minus 6 into 5, 30, and xy as it is. So you get an answer. Now third one, here p is multiplied with the first term 6p square, then after put the minus sign, then p multiplied with the second term 7p, then plus sign, and p is multiplied with the 5, and you get your final answer 6 as it is. P into p square, you get p raised to the power 3 minus p into p square, and 7 as it is, so 7p square plus 5p. So in that way you can solve the monomial multiplied by trinomial. It is also easy to solve it. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any suggestion, then put in the chat box. Now next problem. Here 4 times p square q square multiplied by p square minus q square. So 4p square q square is multiplied with the first term p square, then put the subtraction operator as it is, and then 4p square q square is multiplied with the second term q square. Then after applying the basic knowledge, monomial into monomial, so 4 as it is, p square into p square, you get p raised to the power 4, and q square as it is, minus sign 4 p square, q square into q square, you get q raised to the power 4. Now fifth one, similarly we can solve. ABC is multiplied with each term in the trinomial, and you get a multiplied by ABC plus b multiplied by ABC plus c multiplied by ABC, and you get your answer a square bc plus a b square c plus abc square, and which is your final answer. Thank you student. Put your suggestion in the chat box. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends.